How to get your steering buttons from this to this and to make them look clean, good as new. Stay along with me as I'm going to take you through the process of how to do it. Welcome to the channel again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of this stuff which builds up on your steering buttons. So you see this right here is so dirty. It formed layers, and some of this is the kind of material this Mercedes unfortunately used to make this thing up right here. So the stuff you'll need for this process is just simple. Is a microfiber towel, and just like this one right here. And then what you need else is you'll need is a multi-purpose foam cleaner is what you'll need, so that you can get rid of this stuff permanently. All right, let's begin the process. So first things first, you open up the cup and then you spray on this towel thing. You make a foam just like that, and then second thing you do, you just come next to this right here, and then you start applying it. That's the first round. This thing should be able to come out like that. All right, see the dot is coming out, and then you keep spraying. You keep spraying right over here. You just let it sit for a minute. You spray two on this other side, and then you do the same procedure. So let it sit in there for a minute. And then once a minute goes by, and then you continue, you keep cleaning it. This is the second round. And then we do our one last spray. Now let it sit it for a minute. And then we do our last cleaning. So at the end of the day, this is how our button is going to look like. So you can compare this side, and then you can compare with this other side. So you can do the same thing on this this right side, what you already did on the left side. So you can see these buttons are clean, and then at least your car steering will look better. So this is just a short tutorial to just show you guys that you can do it. It's just easy. I think it's like $7 or something, $5 in AutoZone. And then the microfiber towel is I think like has a bunch of them, maybe like $10 or something. So it's really easy to do this process, and you can do it at home, and then you keep your car looking clean and nice. So you can do the rest even on this section. You can just clean all of it. All right, thank you for watching this video, and then please like and subscribe, and keep watching for other